What's good, everybody? BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Let's get right into it. Gray box. Nike Air Force One in white. Moving on to the size tag. Air Force One skeleton quick strike. Starfish black, size 13. Suggested retail $130. Flip these over. You guys can already see. I don't even have to pull out the paper. These are the orange skeletons. I hit on sneakers a couple days ago. Picked 2 days shipping. Here they are. So let me take these out the box and I'll show you guys a better look. Alright, here you guys go. These are the orange skeletons. Couldn't hit on the white ones a couple years ago. Couldn't hit on the black ones last year. So I said, here, let me try my luck. And I got successful. And I chose 2 days shipping, so these would come right before Halloween. Instead of next week when it's November. So here you guys go. It's an all orange shoe, basically. And then you have the skeleton in black. Milky outsole. And it glows in the dark too. Orange laces. Black lace Dubre. You got the Nike Air Force One logo, but you see its bones when it says Nike. I'll take the insoles out too so you can see the inside. Alright, and as you can see, some more of that skeleton print. It's your foot. Size tag. Nike Air in white. Just peel that off real quick. Yeah, so that's basically all you need to know about this shoe. The orange skeletons. At least it's got black tips on them, I just noticed. But yeah, I really like these shoes. I'm probably gonna keep them. If I can't sell these and get the white ones or the black ones, I'm definitely gonna keep these and wear them. Now that it's fall and orange is like a fall color, I'm gonna be stepping out of these a lot, hopefully, if I can. But you know, this whole pandemic thing kind of been throwing everything off, so I might just keep these in a box. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. This is BTC the Villain signing out. Like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.